This is Nick from MYGOFLIGHT. Today I wanted to tell you a little bit about the MYGOFLIGHT ArmorGlas. ArmorGlas is an anti-glare product that protects your screen of your iPad with super strong and hard H9 grade tempered glass. Some of the other features is that it keeps some of the grime off, keeps the glare off, and it protects. As you can see here, on your left is the ArmorGlas. On your right is a naked iPhone. Huge difference, huge protection. Comes with cleaning swab, ways to get the bubbles out, cleaning swab, and our installation easy align.